Dun 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 dun. Isn't that awesome? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do something like that on Prezi. Let's jump into the tutorial. So right here from your dashboard, you're going to go ahead and there's a few different ways you can actually start a presentation. The first way is actually going to create from a template. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and if you click on the create from template, you'll be redirected right to this page, and you'll see that there's quite a few options, so you can really go and choose something that fits what your needs are. All right, so you can go ahead and choose pretty much anything here. There's tons. You can even search through a template. One of the other ways directly from your dashboard is going to start from scratch, and this will allow you to literally just start from absolute scratch. As you can see here, this is how it gets done. On the left, you'll have all of your frames that are in here, and then as you're going and clicking on each one of your frames, it'll redirect you to that specific frame. So currently we're viewing it as an overview, and we're going to go from the left here. You can see, let's have a look at our first main frame. Let's click on this, and here you can add your title and a subtitle, and then you can introduce your first point. And as you go down, you can look through each one of your frames. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through this one. Because it's developed and you can see a bit more of what a final product can look like, I'm going to take you through how you can kind of do all these cool things. So on the left, you have the overview, and here, this is our first main frame. You can see we're planning the costume, and here it has some subframes, and then it has elements within these subframes. So let's go here and have a look at some of them. Alright, so we've got the first thing here, and it's the costume inspiration. We're going to use this as an example. However, you can do the exact same things that I'm going to show you here on every single other frame. So if you're clicking on this, you can change pretty much everything about how the text is presented, including the color, the style, and even the layer. You can even use their built-in AI to change how it is presented. And then again, for this text, you can do the exact same. And when you're moving over to images, if you're clicking on the image, you can actually replace the image. There's a few other things here. You can change the style. You can color the image differently. You can even remove the background right here in the app. So you don't have to use another app. And then, of course, you can crop it, you can resize it to your liking, you can add links, so you can hyperlink the actual image itself, and then you can also add animation to it. So let's just click on this and let's add an animation. Here you can see it's a little bit limited, but it does still have those animations. So currently we are using the zoom, so we can either zoom to or zoom out of. So let's click on the zoom to, and you'll see this will now zoom to that image. Okay, so if you're going through your presentation, for example, it'll look like this. So some of the other things over here that you can do, if you have a look at the top, there's a few options. There's the styling. You can add additional text boxes. You can add additional blocks for media. You can add shapes. You can add story blocks, animations. And then if you click on more, you can change your topic, your page topic, and your planet topic. And your planet topic is just this very first overview topic over there. You can also add presenter notes, which is great, and then also you can add stuff to your library, and then you can use all of your elements directly from your library. Some of the other things is presenting. So you can present as a regular presentation. You can also record as a video, which is a feature part of the paid plan, but I think that's awesome. Some of the other paid features include adding music. So if you go here to your slides, you can actually right click or click on the three dots over here, and you can actually edit a sound. So you can actually put a sound on to your presentation. That's amazing. And then if you are presenting, you can just click on start presentation, or you can click on record as a video. So I'm going to click on record as a video. And you have two options. You can either narrate the presentation, which means you have a voiceover for it, or you can appear alongside your content, which means your camera will be turned on and your face will be visible. You can just click on continue. This is also a paid feature, but all in all, it is amazing. Now, if you go back to your dashboard over here, you'll see on the left-hand side all of your videos, infographics, presentations, all your projects, your brand kit, your library. It's all nicely presented. And then you can go ahead and navigate through this. I hope you enjoyed this video.